Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this look by using the Etude House Peach Farm palette. Now this palette is really compact comparing to the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which is a lot bigger than this one. I have them in comparison right now. But I do prefer the Etude House Peach Farm palette because it's a lot more compact, so it could definitely fit in your purse or your backpack wherever you store your makeup when you're on the go. I am also going to be doing swatches of this palette on my arm to show you guys the color payout on my skin tone. Alright, without further ado, let's get started, guys. Okay, so I actually had a hard time trying to find the English name of the colors in this palette, but I finally found it, and it was actually on their website, so I will leave the link in my description for anybody that wants to know the English name of the colors. And yeah, I will talk to you guys again after the swatches. Okay, so we're gonna start out with a bare face, and I am gonna go in with the Missha BB Boomer to prime my face, and I actually really like how this primer gives me that natural glowy finish with my foundation. And here I'm just gonna dab it all over my face before I blend it out with my hands. And as you guys can see, it seems like I'm rubbing my face really hard, but I'm actually not. It's like a mini massage for my face before I put on my makeup. And here I'm going to use the Aritaum Tint in Water number 3, and I'm just going to dab it on the inside of my lips and slowly work it outwards so it could just be more even on my lips. And here I'm going to use the Aritaum Tint in Water number 4, and I'm just going to dab it on the outer edge of my lips just to smooth out the gradient effects. Okay, so I do have really dark eye bags under my eyes, and it is genetics, so I can't really do much about that. But color correcting has helped me out throughout the years, and it does give my concealer a boost of coverage whenever it needs it. And here I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my base makeup, and of course since we are time sensitive, I will be speeding everything up, and I will talk to you guys again when I am doing my contouring. Since we are going for a more natural soft glam look, we are actually not going to go crazy with the contouring, but instead we're going to go for a subtle contouring so it could give us that more natural look. Okay, so since this is a Korean inspired makeup look, I am going to do my eyebrows lighter, and as you guys can see, I do have really bushy dark eyebrows. And honestly, to whoever created the eyebrow mascara, it is godsend because look at this. My eyebrows just instantly turn lighter when I have really dark eyebrows. So honestly, this mascara is godsend. And the moment you guys have all been waiting for, we are gonna jump right into the eye makeup tutorial. Okay, first we're gonna grab the color Pine Corn and put it all over our lid and blend it upwards. As you guys can see, I am slowly adding more of the same color to my lid so it can blend out more evenly. Now I am going to use a pencil brush to apply Peachtree to the outer corner of my eyes and blend it inwards. I am also going to be using the same color to apply on my lash line. And here I'm going to be using Pine Corn as a blending color to blend out any harsh edges. Here I am using Peach Jam to apply all over my lid to give it more dimension. And here I'm going to be using Peachtree again to darken my outer corner, and of course remember to blend it out afterwards. I'm going to finish off the look using Pine Corn and Peachtree on my lower lash line. At last, I'm going to be using White Peach on the inner corner of my eyes. Sorry about the lighting guys, my camera kind of died on me, but here we're just gonna be applying blush on the apples of our cheeks, and I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Tipsy. I'm gonna finish off with a straight eyeliner look, and if you guys prefer the angle eyeliner look, you guys can do that, but I prefer the straight eyeliner look on myself because it does give me that natural look that I am looking for. And let's not forget about that glow. I cannot leave the house without my highlighter because it just finishes your makeup beautifully and it just makes you more captivating. Okay guys, we're almost done here. We're just gonna be applying mascara to our lashes and also apply false lashes to finish off the look. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and this is actually my first YouTube video, so it was kind of nerve-wracking, but I kind of got through it. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoy my content, please subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!